a must. So yeah, if they don't have this kind of data, the machine cannot run.
Yeah.
So every morning the workers start work before or change product. So they need to do the first piece check. So that involves all the testing work. Then it will send the data inside the mesh, then the machine will run. Otherwise, the machine will stop working. See like that. And we'll send you a quote. Okay. The connector is very hard to cut off.
Yeah.
You do this as well.
Yeah.
So see, we do that, and then we put another piece of clear heat shrink that goes over with each line of what you're doing on the battery line. Also, would need a machine then on the crimping on this one as well.
Crimping?
To crimp the terminals.
Yes, you also need a crimping?
Yeah, just on the battery side.
Okay.
On the lugs.
Okay.
On the battery lugs.
Okay. Because for battery crimping, and the customer has quite high requirements, so that I recommend you to use servo motor crimping.